Hey guys, so right now you should have 3 rows of problems glued into your notebook, and you should have space between each row so you can write out the work for each problem underneath it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work out the first problem from each row, and then if you feel like you still need additional help from me, move on to option 1, where I'll have another video explaining how to solve the rest of these. Or if you think you got it and you don't need my help, move on to option 2, where you can just work out the rest of the problems and check it with the answer key that I've posted. All right, so for the first problem, our angles say 60 and 40, and we are solving for the missing angle x. So I'm going to set up my equation here. So I'm going to say 60 plus 40 plus x. And when we add the 3 measurements in a triangle, we get 180 degrees every single time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and solve this equation. So 60 plus 40 is going to give me 100, plus x equals 180. And if we subtract 100 on both sides, we are left with x equals 80. So that means our missing angle in this problem is 80 degrees. Now moving on to number 5, we are asked to find x and the measurement of angle ABC. And when you see this sign that looks like a less than sign, that means the angle measurement or angle. So we are finding the measurement of angle A, B, and C. All right, so I'm going to set up my equation here. So my 3 measurements are 2x, 4x, and 3x. So 2x plus 4x plus 3x equals 180. All right, 2x plus 4x is 6x, plus 3x is 9x. So 9x equals 180. We divide by 9, and we get that x is equal to 20. All right, once I have x, now I need to find my 3 angle measurements. So if I look up here, the measurement of A says that is 2x. So angle A is equivalent to 2x. And I'm going to replace my x with a 20. So I'm going to say 2 times 20. And 2 times 20 is going to give me a measurement of 40. So angle A is 40 degrees. All right, angle B has a measurement of 4x. So I'm going to replace the x with 20 again. So I'm going to say 4 times 20, which gives me a measurement of 80. So angle B is 80 degrees. And then angle C has a measurement of 3x. So I'm going to say 3 times 20, which is going to give me 60. When you add these 3 measurements up, so 40 plus 80 is 120, and 120 plus 60 gives me 180. So that's an easy way for you to check to make sure that you did it correctly. All right, and lastly, number 9. So number 9 is very similar to the last one that I did. So we're finding x, and then we're finding the measurement of the 3 angles. All right, so my 3 angles measure x plus 2x plus 2x plus 15 equals 180. I'm going to combine like terms, so x plus 2x is 3x, plus another 2 is 5x, plus 15 equals 180. All right, I'm going to subtract 15 on both sides. 180 minus 15 is 165 equals 5x. I'm going to divide by 5, and I'm left with x equals 33. All right, now I'm going to plug in for A, B, and C. So angle A has a measurement of x. So if it's just x, that means that x would be equal to 33. So I would just replace the x with 33. So angle A is 33 degrees. Angle B has a measurement of 2x. So I'm going to say 2 times 33, which is going to give me 66. And angle C, go ahead and put it over here. Angle C has a measurement of 2x plus 15. So I'm going to say 2 times 33 plus 15. So 2 times 3 is 66. Or sorry, 2 times 33 is 66. Plus 15 would give us a measurement of 81. So 33 plus 66 plus 81 gives us 180 degrees.